However, the aggrieved family of Makrad Saleh appealed, and the matter was moved from the regular courts to a Sharia court, which commuted the judgment to an execution. Stephen has been in jail for 13 years and is currently incarcerated at Shimeisi prison. So our purpose here today is to renew our fundraising initiative by appealing to Kenyans and all people of goodwill to please donate generously to this cause. Contributions should be sent to the following pay bill. Whatever you have, whether it's the 100,000 shillings or any amount you are able to give us, which we would appreciate greatly, send it to the following pay bill: 8056675.
I'm in touch with Steve as late as last evening when he called. Remember, he can call, but I cannot call him. He was in good health, and I told him that we would be having this press conference, and he is praying that Kenyans might come out for him.